Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. One more bed design in teak wood with storage, king size. King size is 72 by 78 inches, 6 by 6.5 feet. Mattress area as per India size with nightstands or side tables as we call it, and a nice simple design as per the designs I have shown you earlier. मैंने आपको काफ़ी सारे बेड डिज़ाइन दिखाए हैं और मोस्ट ऑफ द डिज़ाइंस काफ़ी हैवी कार्विंग में और कुशन में विद बैक कुशन आपको दिखते हैं जो हमने मोस्टली आपको दिखाए हैं. दिस वन इज विदाउट एनी फैब्रिक और कुशन वर्क. When we are looking for a simple kind of or subtle kind of design and not with very heavy carving or the cushion itself, cushion a lot of people don't want for one reason. When we send units out of India and cushion has got a fabric or a leatherette, ज़्यादातर cushion में fabric या leatherette जैसे लगती है तो कुछ टाइम बाद 4 साल 5 साल के बाद कपड़ा गंदा हो जाता है या fabric leatherette में कुछ लग जाता है. That requires maintenance or requires a change, and out of India mostly that's not very easy job, quite costly and very difficult to find people for that. So people love simple stuff like this without any cushion type work, and if you are also looking for something like this, you can consider this design. In our units mostly the design is on the back and on the front, and the standard sizes are around 4 feet high. This one is 4.5 feet, 54 inches, and that's why the back is giving a look that we require with nice subtle simple carving as per our standards, because we love heavy carving, we are carving people. This is quite a simple work as per our work we have shown you earlier. Similarly, the front part is 28 inches high and with storage. Without storage also, if you require, we can make that. That again is your choice. Thickness of the mattress comes in picture, because if you are using quite thick mattress, then we have to lower it down to make it comfortable for sitting. बैठने के लिए comfortable करना होता है. ज़्यादा ऊंचे पे बैठने में दिक्कत होती है, ज़्यादा नीचे बैठने में दिक्कत होती है. तो एक comfortable sitting height 22, maximum 24 inches high from the ground, ज़मीन से 24 इंचेस मैक्स आप ले सकते हैं फॉर कंफर्टेबल सिटिंग. अकॉर्डिंगली ये ऊपर नीचे एडजस्ट होता है. साथ में है दो नाइट स्टैंड्स. द साइज इज 18 इंचेस बाय 15 इंचेस, हाइट इज 21, एंड क्वाइट सिंपल डिजाइन as going with the bed. In teak wood, the back, front, both are in teak wood. The middle part here is made of ply. When we have storage, we make stuff by ply, the middle portion only, the storage area. If you are not looking for a storage box, you're looking for without storage, then the sides would also be with the wood. So entire structure of wood, the top part, just to cover it, we use the ply sheets. That's the only part where we use the ply. The unit, this design you may find in some pictures, in some videos. I'm showing you an actual stuff here in teak wood, and quite heavy sturdy design, quite thick unit. The base wood is 2 inches, and on 2 inches base wood, the entire unit is done. You want a different color, alag color chahiye, you want a darker color, you want in paints like gold, silver, copper. There are several paints, white, we can make in that color for you. This one is going to Arunachal Pradesh, a far location from here, almost a corner of northeast, and we are delivering everywhere in India and out of India also. For more designs, you can visit our website arsunwoods.com. There are several designs of every household furniture item that we are making. We make in solid wood, and we make carving stuff, the designer stuff. We don't make simple plain furniture or the cheap kind of stuff. These are not simple units, so requires a little more expense than the regular simple plain furniture. Prices, you can visit our website. Again, there you will find some prices there, or you can contact us. The number is here, the contact details are here. You can contact us. We will be happy to give you the prices. Any questions Any feedbacks, any comments, please let us know. We'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you. धन्यवाद.